are you? I'm Jack, Kuan. This is PINYIN episode number 12. Today, we'll start learning nasal final vowels in the Chinese pronunciation system. They're called 鼻韵母 in Chinese. 鼻 is nose. That's why they're called nasal vowels. There are two types of nasal vowels in Pinyin. One is called 前鼻韵母 in Chinese. It means front nasal vowel. A front nasal vowel starts with one or two simple final vowels and end with an alphabet N. For example, the nasal vowel An. The other type of nasal vowel is called 后鼻韵母, back nasal vowel. We'll discuss this in the next episode. The goal for today is simple. We'll focus on the front nasal vowels. They are yin, wen, an, yun. The first nasal vowel that I want to introduce to you is yin. Yin. Like the cat in the hat. In the hat. In the hat. It's the same pronunciation as English. English words such as tin, pin, and bin are all meaningful syllables in Chinese as well. What's that smell? Wait a second, let me take out the trash. I guess the front nasal vowels aren't that difficult for us, right? Hey, Max! What are you doing here? It's not your turn yet. Next, we'll go on and practice. For each front nasal vowel, I've carefully picked 4 different initial consonant babies to make them meaningful syllables. Of course, the Chinese characters will be shown as well. At the end of today's lesson, we'll review 20 initial consonants and learn 5 front nasal vowels. There's a Chinese idiom that says 一箭双雕 means shooting down 2 eagles with 1 arrow. The meaning is same as kill 2 birds with 1 stone. That's what we've been doing all along with this series, isn't it? Are you ready? Let's start.
Nasal vowel, in. I'll repeat it a couple of times. In. Its 4 tones will be in, in, j, in, jing, j, in, jing, gold, jing, gold, b, in, bing, b, in, bing,宾客 guest, 冰 宾客，宾客 guest。 in pin p in pin 品商品商品 merchandise 品商品 merchandise了 in 零了 in 零林森林森林 forest 林森林 forest nasal vowel n its four tones are n m n men m n men 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 door men men door door zh n 真zh n 真真真 needle 针针 needle needle 日人日人人人 human 人人 human human 我 when 我 when ask when ask
Do you like my channel? Please share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a like.
nasal vowel when its four tones are win 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 when 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 结婚 marry get married 婚 结婚 marry, get married. 吃温春，吃温春，春春 spring, 春春 spring, spring. 吃温春，吃温春，春春村子 village, 村子村子 village, village. 个温滚，个温滚，滚滚动，滚动 rolling, 滚滚动 rolling, rolling. Nasal vowel an, an, an. Its four tones are an, 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 an. D, an, dan, d, an, dan, dan, dan. Egg, dan, dan, egg, egg. K, an, can, k, an, can, can, can. Look, watch. Can, look, watch, look, watch. 诗安山，诗安山，山山 mountain, 山山 mountain, mountain. N, an, nan, n, an, nan, nan, nan. 男人 male, 男人 male. Nasal vowel yin, yin, yin. Its four tones will be yin, yun, yun, yun. Remember, we talked about the symbol E in episode number 10. It will be shown as the alphabet U in the pinyin text. J, yun, jin. J, yun, jin. 菌菌细菌 germ 菌细菌 germ germ 音群音群裙裙子 skirt 裙子 skirt音形音形巡逻 patrol 巡逻 patrol 音引cloud 引 cloud
That's all for today. Another fulfilled day, isn't it? The next episode will be about back nasal vowel. Click on the notification bell. You'll be notified right after I upload a video. Thank you for your love and support. See you!